Hello friends, welcome to my channel naukri. Vacancy out for Diploma and B.Tech. Let's go see all details. Vacancy out big. MRF company. Job posts, multiple position, like maintenance engineer, production engineer, maintenance supervisor, production supervisor, and many more. Qualification, diploma, B.Tech and B.Sc. Eligibility criteria. Must have completed a diploma with a minimum of 60% marks or equivalent CUPA. Industrial experience, 2 to 5 years. Male and female candidates can apply. Age below 30 years. Other benefits: transportation facility, canteen, medical and accident insurance. It is walk-in interview. Date: 1 January 2026. Apply now. Link in a description, and interview location link in a description, and subscribe now for more job updates.